Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the driver. Then this is search button, just click on it. Then enter the model number of motherboard Z590I AORUS Ultra and then hit enter. Now this is your motherboard is searching on this website. Then click on the product. Then you can see this is your motherboard, just click on it and then click on support. Then select all and download. Select the operating system Windows 10 and 11 which is using. Select it. Both operating system installations process same. So first audio driver, this is SD audio driver, and click to download. Scroll down. Chipset driver, so INF installer and serial driver, this is both required. First download, second also download. This is download icons. Then LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, you can see, and click to download. VGA driver, graphic driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say, and just click to download. Bluetooth and WLANs, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver, so first Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so both download one by one. And then you can see, go to download and you can just click on this icons where it is downloading, just click on it. After that open it, driver locations, okay, and it will complete. Then I show you how to install. So this is your driver, okay. So one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all, okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install. Okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay. And then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay. This is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then next accept installed. And then okay. Then last one. And this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next. And no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.